Why does a ball bounce back when it hits the wall? One sunny afternoon, Jack was playing with a ball and threw it against a wall. He was surprised to see the ball bounce back and wondered why.
Why does the ball bounce back when it hits the wall?
Suddenly, a tiny fairy named Bounce appeared to explain why the ball bounces back.
Hi Jack. I'm Bounce, the physics fairy. Let me explain why the ball bounces back when it hits the wall.
Bounce explained that when Jack throws the ball, it stores energy, which is released when it hits the wall.
When you throw the ball, it stores energy called kinetic energy, which gets released when it hits the wall.
Bounce told Jack that when the ball hits the wall, the energy changes and makes the ball push back.
When the ball hits the wall, the energy changes, and it pushes the ball back in the opposite direction.
Bounce explained that the wall pushes the ball back with the same amount of energy it received.
The wall pushes the ball back with the same amount of energy that the ball hit it with.
Bounce told Jack that the ball bounces back because of its elasticity, which helps it spring back into shape.
The ball is elastic, which means it can spring back into shape and bounce back when it hits something solid.
Bounce explained that if you throw the ball harder, it will bounce higher because it has more energy.
If you throw the ball harder, it has more energy, so it will bounce higher. If you throw it softly, it will bounce lower.
Bounce told Jack that the angle at which the ball hits the wall affects the direction it bounces.
The angle at which the ball hits the wall affects the direction it bounces back.
Bounce explained that the science behind the ball bouncing back is called Newton's third law of motion.
The science behind why the ball bounces back is called Newton's third law of motion. For every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction.
Jack smiled, now understanding why the ball bounces back when it hits the wall, and couldn't wait to play more.
Thanks, Bounce. Now I know why the ball bounces back.